The M4 MacBook Pro leaks have taken the tech world by storm, with numerous details emerging from several credible sources. Gear News reported that, according to Mark Gurman from Bloomberg, the M4 MacBook Pro might feature a design refresh that builds upon the current model's aesthetics, but with a sleeker, more streamlined look. Gurman also hints that Apple may experiment with a new material finish, potentially offering a matte option, which would reduce fingerprint marks on the surface, a frequent user request. Prominent Apple leaker and Bloomberg journalist Mark Gurman recently revealed key details about the upcoming M4 MacBook Pro. According to Gurman, Apple has scheduled an event for October 30th, 2024, where media and content creators will be invited to preview the new M4 Mac models. However, unlike previous Apple events, this announcement is expected to be low-key, with no keynote presentation. Instead, Apple is likely to unveil the M4 MacBook Pro through an online-only event or a series of press releases similar to the approach it used for the Scary Fast Mac event last year. Although the post gained traction initially, it was mysteriously taken down shortly after. Some users speculated that the content might have been too revealing or inadvertently violated Apple's strict confidentiality rules, forcing the user to remove it. However, the leak has already sparked discussions about the M4 MacBook Pro's potential power, with enthusiasts eagerly awaiting an official announcement from Apple in the coming days. The upcoming M4 chip is expected to deliver a major performance upgrade for Apple, a difference that could be especially visible in benchmarks. This increase stems not only from a higher core count, but also from improved single-core performance, with a Geekbench 6 score around 15,300 points, substantially higher than the M3's 11,800 points. Additionally, the new models are expected to come standard with 16 GB of RAM, doubling the current 8 GB found in 14-inch versions, along with 3 Thunderbolt 3 ports to enhance connectivity. A fresh space black color option, previously exclusive to the larger 16-inch MacBook Pro, will also be available, adding a sleek, modern aesthetic. According to Apple Scoop, the device's M4 chip is set to bring a significant performance boost, with Geekbench results indicating a 27% increase in single-core processing power and a 31% improvement in multi-core tasks compared to the M3 chip. On the graphics front, benchmarks for Apple's Metal API show a 20% GPU performance enhancement. To MacRumors, the M4 MacBook Pro is anticipated to deliver a significant boost here as well. They report that Apple is incorporating more power-efficient components, including the M4 chip and mini LED display, which will likely extend the laptop's battery life by an estimated 15 to 20%. This improvement could mean users get up to 15 hours of usage on a single charge under regular conditions. Gurman previously anticipated that Apple would launch new Macs with M4 chips around November 1st. With this timeline, it seemed unlikely that Apple would host an in-person event, as attendees would have limited time to arrange travel. Instead, an online event appeared more plausible, a scenario that now seems even more probable. While pricing details are still uncertain, beginning at approximately $2,499 for the 14-inch model and increasing with additional features. What do you think about these changes? Don't forget to subscribe for more Apple updates and hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest tech news.